Right, we're going to look at adding fractions together when we are dealing with the same sort of fraction. So in this problem here, we're dealing with adding fifths together, different amounts of fifths together, and in this problem here, we're looking at adding twelfths together. But first of all, let's have a look at this. And let's use these diagrams above just to help explain. So I'm going to want to add a fifth, which is one of those 5 equal parts. And here I've got 2/5, which is going to be 2 of those equal parts. And if I add those two together, overall, hopefully we can see from the diagram there that we have these two parts as well as this extra part here. So if I want to complete this problem over here, 1/5 plus 2/5 gives us 3/5 altogether. And if we look at the numbers there, we can see that the denominator remains the same and we are adding the numerators together. So if we apply that principle to this bottom problem here, where we're adding 1/12 to 5/12, where the denominator remains the same and we're adding the numerators. 1 plus 5 is 6, the denominator remains the same. In this problem here, we couldn't simplify because there wasn't a common factor with 3 and 5 other than 1. But in this one here, 2 goes into both 6 and 12, so we can simplify this fraction here. We can divide the numerator by 2 and we can divide the denominator by 2, giving us the fraction 6 divided by 2 is 3, 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay? And we can actually simplify this fraction further because 3 is a common factor of both 3 and 6, so we can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3, giving us the fraction 3's into 3, there's one of them, 3's into 6 goes twice, giving us a half. So 1/12 plus 5/12 equals 1/2.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.